It is called off Facebook activity, and frankly, it is creepy. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shut it down and stop Facebook from spying on you. Let's dive in. First, open your Facebook app and go to Settings. Now, stop scrolling. Look at the very top. You will see a box called Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center. Next, look for your information and permissions and tap on it. Then, select your activity of Meta Technologies. This is where they hide it now. You will see a list of apps sharing your data. Then, tap on Manage Future Activity, select Disconnect Future Activity, and confirm it. Now, the tracking is officially off. We are not done yet. Let's stop them from tracking your physical location. Go back to the main settings menu. Now, scroll down to the section called Permissions. And tap on Location. Tap on Go to Device Settings. Make sure this is set to Never, or at least while using the app. Never leave it on always. You don't need Mark Zuckerberg knowing where you sleep. Your privacy is now much more secure. If you want to know how to lock your Facebook profile completely, so strangers can't see your photos, click the video on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech security tips. See you in the next one.